Hello, sweet home. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, your sister, your favorite Lady B Kitchen. How is my lovely friends doing today? I hope you guys are doing good. So, guys, today's video is another burger video. So, my people, today I'm super excited. I'll be sharing with you how to make your crispy chicken burger at home. Crispy chicken burger is one of the best burger you can ever think or you can ever like to eat. For those of us who like to eat burger but we don't know how to make burger, but every time we want to eat burger, we go to book am online. Make you sit down. This one na wetin you go like watch. Here I have plastic wrap. Now I will add in the chicken breast. So here is the chicken breast I will be using. I will cover the chicken breast with this plastic wrap. Now I will use my roller to mash the chicken breast until it gets flatter than before. This process you can as well use hammer if you have. After some minutes, this is how it looks. Now it's more flatter than before. Just like this I want. All I will do is to divide the chicken into two equal sizes. First, I will cut out the edges. I don't need that. Here I have chicken spices. Here I have onion powder, red chili, garlic powder, 1 egg, salt to taste. Here I have ginger paste. Now I will give this a nice mix about 2 to 3 minutes until everything is well mixed. Next is to add in 1 cup of liquid milk. Here I have 1 lemon. I will cut and press out the lemon juice. Now I will stir and let this to rest for 20 to 25 minutes until it's well marinates. Next is to prepare the mayonnaise. So here is the brand of mayonnaise I will be using. This is the 2 mayonnaise I use. Here I have 1 teaspoon of tomato sauce. This is the tomato sauce I use. I have 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 side of lemon. I will press out the juice. After mixing the mayonnaise, this is how it looks. Next is to prepare the frying flour. I will add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili. I will mix these 3 ingredients together. After 25 minutes, here is the chicken. Now it's well marinated. All I will do is to separate the chicken from the missing ingredient, though I'm still making use of it. In this video, nothing to waste. In Lady B kitchen, we waste nothing, so everything is useful. Now is to add the chicken inside the maize flour. I will turn the other side. I will just make sure the flour touches the body of the chicken breast enough. Make una not come for me for this oyibo, I no say hi. I will just continue this process. After that, I will still take it back to the missing ingredient, just like this. I will still turn the other side and take it back to the flour. Here is the second step. I will be using my hand. I will just take the chicken and add it inside the flour, just as I do the first step. You can as well use spoon, you can as well use your hand, only that you wash your hand. So that is because this is what we are eating to our stomach, so we have to make sure that we give it a nice wash. So now I will just keep on the same process I used for the first step. After that, so this is how it looks. So this is the final look. Now it's ready to fry. I have oil in the fire already. I will add all of it inside the hot oil. I will fry about 20 to 25 minutes with low heat. I'm not frying with high heat, I'm not frying with medium heat, I'm frying with low heat so that it will not get burned. After some minutes, I will turn the other side to fry, just like this. Son sourire m'emballe, quand je la croise ma journée est belle. Mon serait c'est de passer le restant de ma vie, oh avec ma belle. Et son sourire m'emballe, quand je la croise ma journée est belle. Here is the bread burger we'll be using. All I have to do is to open it from the nylon. Now I will divide the bread into 2 equal sizes. Here is the mayonnaise. First, I will use the mayonnaise to rub all over the body of the bread. I will just add enough as I want. Now I will add in the crispy chicken and purple cabbage. So I will be using purple cabbage. You can as well use the white cabbage. Now I will add in burger cheese. I will be making use of 2 cheese. You can as well use more if you care. Now I will add in the remaining mayonnaise. Just add it on top of the cheese like this. Here is the remaining side of the bread. So this one is what I'll be using to cover. So now I will just add a little bit of mayonnaise before I will use it to cover the burger. Just simple like this, I cover. Just like this. Now here is our burger. Our crispy chicken burger is ready. Just look at what I am saying now. I hope you are feeling this burger, guys. This is one of the best way you can always make your burger at home. Just simple and easy to serve the family. Instead of you looking for where to buy burger during this lockdown, during this pandemic, you can as well make your burger at home and enjoy with your amazing family. Trust me, guys, this is one of the best burger you can always make for your family. This burger is good to go. This crispy chicken burger is one of the best burger you can ever think of, guys. It's one of the best burger you can ever think of. I will say this is the end of this video. But before I say this, guys, if today is your first time coming across my channel, today is your first time hearing my voice, Lady B Kitchen, you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to your sister channel. Lady B Kitchen got you covered. Subscribe for more videos. If you are watched to this extent, you haven't shared the video, what are you waiting for? Share to your community and friends. Share and drop your comments how you feel. Don't forget to thumbs up for this video. See you for my next video. Bye bye.